are you doing?
I'm good.
Good to see you, bro. Scrambler Ducati, nice, bro.
Okay.
Man, you just overtook me like a fucking bullet, bro. I'm starting to chase you. I can't wait to watch. Is it? Yeah, it's gonna be on video. It's gonna be funny, bro. So you know how to go, eh? I follow you. Fuck, man, what a beast. You're loving your life, eh? Bro, please don't kill yourself, man. Yeah, you sure? Nice. Wow, finally some cooler. It's beautiful. Hello, man. How are you? Pleasure to meet you, buddy. Sexy. It's a Street Fighter V4. I love the color too. It's very sexy. Thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate it. Hello, sir. How are you? Pleasure to meet you, sir. Thanks so much.
You've been riding around the world, eh?
Yeah, I try to. Yeah.
Very nice.
All the way from France, I didn't have any issue whatsoever. Nothing.
Nice.
So very happy with it.
Yeah. Scrambler is like a bare bones raw bike.
Yeah. Granit, you are the boss of the service department, is it?
Yeah.
I've been waiting so long for to come here because the last Ducati dealership was in Adana in Turkey.
Okay.
Yeah. So ever since, all I just did actually the oil in Pakistan.
Okay.
It was they did a good job. It was good oil as well because it really needed to be done.
Okay.
Because he hadn't been serviced for like, I don't know, 15,000 kilometers or something like that. But now, okay, like it's to do more service, so whatever you have to do, man, really. Whenever you're done with it, I'm gonna go back to the northern areas and enjoy a nice ride. So got on a bike with my mate Randy J, and it's a beautiful Hypermotor 950, proper beast. So let's hope this is not gonna be my last ride. Oh my god! You just rode yourself, bro. Yeah. You're gonna love it. I wasn't far to shit myself, bro. Honestly, this is a fucking beast. That bike is unreal, man.
What?
This bike is unreal, bro. Like,
Yeah, you should give it a go.
I wasn't ready. That's the model, guys. Hypermotor 950.
So,
The tires are big, and as you said, like they have a great grip. You can feel it actually.
yeah, and these are like semi-track tires.
Yeah.
So this is like Pirelli Diabo
Yeah.
Rosso 3.
But even being on the bike, I could feel like we were not gonna go anywhere. Just got the motorbike bike from Ducati, and that's the service area. They have a lot of fancy bikes around the place, as you can see. Today I just came here to pick up the bike. They did the decimal service on it, so very happy with it. Now I need to pay the bill. That's funny. Now at least I'm good to go for another few thousand kilometers. I still have to change the tires. I think I will change them in Nepal. Look what they have here. That's a cool. I think that's the Monster. Yeah, this one is a Monster. This is a Javel right here. Another Javel. Black color. You have a Scrambler there on top. You have a couple of race bikes, V4, Panigale. That's another race bike for trying to see the tires. Well, so he took you upstairs and you decided to change your bike.
Yeah, and then sir, this is a nice bike.
So he's a good salesman.
He's a great salesman. He's a great salesman.
Wow, that's the latest Multistrada, is it?
It's a V4.
V4S. Jeez, what a beast. Oh, that is sexy, man.
This should be your next bike here.
Yeah, when I get a bit more money, 100%. But if I did it on a Scrambler, I think I can do it on a Multistrada.
That's the bike. So those are the tires. That
Yeah, I have a good mate. He's got it.
ABS is switchable.
Frankie, if you see that, that's for you, buddy.
In this one, you can turn off the back rear ABS.
Yes.
In the desert, you can skid and slide
Yes.
with the ABS off. Right?
Yeah, I like them tires. They actually look good, eh? So which one is your favorite out of them all? I want to hear from the Ducati expert. The Panigale V4?
Or the Street Fighter?
Or Street Fighter, eh? Yeah. Yeah, but those are like... You're gonna kill yourself on that, man.
Yeah, look at the color, bro. Right?
I mean, I would definitely kill myself on that. Wow, that's
Do you know the
nice.
story about this bike? ये वही वाली है ना जो छोड़ के चला गया बंदा? नहीं वो जा चुकी। अच्छा चली गई। मतलब पूरे नहीं वो। अच्छा की वो। अच्छा अच्छा। तो पूरी बाइक स्टॉक कर।
That's the Cruiser. The Javel. Can I have your thoughts on the Javel?
Sports touring bike.
Yeah.
So it looks very muscular, but it's act like a super sports thing. So it's a 165 horsepower.
So good torque?
It's a very good
It's
machine.
more
actually.
torque than the Panigale.
Yeah.
It's
You can see that.
129.
Yes.
Newton
I
meters.
see.
Panigale is 124.
And then it's a very aggressive machine. It looks like a very big.
This is for sale, right? The used one.
वो वाली the brand new
This is
one
like-
costs you somewhere around 26 lakhs.
Brand new is 26 lakh. This
How
is a
much is
used
that
one.
in dollars? Like,
Uh,
wow.
So 32,000 euros.
32. Jesus
33,000
Christ.
33,000 euros, yeah.
Yeah, that's.
You can buy a house in India. for that. I'm not joking. Like I used to take my
I
bike
would,
to work, and
I would still buy the bike and put a tent on it.
Yeah, that's what we
Sleep
do.
on it.
You know, in Japan, it's a thing. Like there are people who work their ass off. They earn a lot of money. They save.
Yeah.
They live in rented homes and they buy a Ferrari. They still live in a rented house. They buy a Ferrari. They don't have an underground parking. They park it out the front.
This is a Panigale V4.
Yeah. Is
It's
it
ready?
the
This is race ready.
950? Wow! Wow! It's unreal. Unreal, so loud.
Yeah.
Wow, that is actually scary.
That's a race ready Acropa, which full with titanium
Yeah.
exhaust. Yeah, that's fine. But it's like sounds angry, right?
Very angry.
Very angry. Same as the Hypermotor. Yeah.
Beautiful. Thanks a lot, buddy. What's your name?
My name is Gagan.
Gagan.
Thank you. Thanks a lot for the tour. It was very nice of you. Really appreciate it.
So this is what he does. He brings me upstairs. He
Yeah.